The Surrealist conception of women is truly multifaceted and even contradictory. Women have been depicted as deadly, disorderly, erotic, but also magical and powerful. In Surrealist paintings, women are transformed or could be transformed into various figures, among which we find witches, enchantresses, priestesses, sphinxes, chimeras, fairies, and many other figures. And often the significance of these depictions hinged on the gender of the artist. So the painting you see behind me was painted by the Belgian artist René Magritte, and the title of it is Black Magic, and it was conceived in 1945. In this painting, the female figure also assumes multiple identities. So on the one hand, it is reminiscent of almost a classical statue, a marmoreal statue, but at the very same time, we see it in a process of transformation. As we can see, the lower part of its body is reminiscent of the color that the palazzo in which she's standing has, sort of slightly more beige, flesh-colored. The upper part of its body, on the other hand, resembles that of the sea, which we see behind her, and also that of the sky. In fact, René Magritte himself had said that it must be an act of black magic to turn a woman's flesh into the sky. And this way he parallels the process of transformation that we're seeing in this painting to a magical act and to an alchemical act of transformation. So very clearly relating his painting to alchemy. The model in this painting was actually René Magritte's wife, Georgette Berger. So on the one hand, she's depicted as an eroticized being that is turning her gaze away from the viewer, and in this case specifically also the painter, which would be René Magritte himself. On the other hand, he shows her as an idealized figure, as an idealized woman, associating her with divinity and with a spiritual dimension implied by the heavens beyond her.